ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਦੇ ਮੇਅਰ ਜੌਨ ਟੋਰੀ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਸੁਰੱਖਿਅਤ ਰੀਓਪਨਿੰਗ ਲਈ ਅਤੇ ਸੁਰੱਖਿਅਤ ਰਹਿਣ ਲਈ। ਖੁਸ਼ਖਬਰੀ ਜ਼ਾਹਿਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਦੇ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟਸ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਕੇਸਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਦਿਨੋ-ਦਿਨ ਘਟ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਸਹੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਸਾਰਥਕ ਨਤੀਜੇ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
We are all preparing for the day when we can reopen safely and stay open safely. I wanted to start the update today with some good news and some encouraging news as we work to achieve that goal. We are seeing a decrease in COVID-19 cases in Toronto long-term care residences, and this is the first sign that our vaccination efforts are having a positive and a significant impact. According to Toronto Public Health, we have seen a substantial decline in percent testing positivity among long-term care home residents, as demonstrated by the downward trend from 10.9% positivity as of the week of November 1st, 2020, to 0.6% as of the week of February 7th, as the vaccination rollout continued. As you know, the vaccination of long-term care home residents across the city by our healthcare partners began December 31st, and administering the second dose of Moderna for residents and staff was completed as of February the 16th. This is a good sign when it comes to the effectiveness of the vaccine. It shows the difference the vaccines will make when we have enough supply from the federal government and we can accelerate the further rollout. Our work to support the provincial and federal governments when it comes to vaccinations is continuing, all of it being done within a framework and a set of rules set out by the Government of Ontario. And that is why we need people to keep following the public health advice right now. Wearing a mask, keeping your distance from others, and staying home as much as possible stops the spread of this virus and the variants. We know from the latest traffic and cell data, mobile phone data, that people are in fact starting to move around more, perhaps thinking incorrectly that improving case counts mean that is okay. Unfortunately, it is not okay, and we have to redouble our efforts for just a bit longer to show the virus and its variants who has the upper hand and who's going to keep the upper hand until we can end the lockdown and move forward to a more normal life. I received a report from Transportation Services here at the City Hall this morning that showed that citywide traffic volumes during the morning peak increased significantly last week, probably as a result of the return to school. This was a similar change to what was observed at the start of the school year last September. It showed average travel times across the city were also higher last week, which staff believes may have been driven by the heavier snowfall during the course of the week. The lockdown has been working to reduce the number of COVID-19 cases in our community. But please, don't get complacent or give up on this work. And I know it's work. It's work to change your habits and to keep your habits the way they've been for so long now. But I can assure you that the changed behavior on the part of the vast majority of people in the City of Toronto is making a difference at keeping people healthy and at stopping the spread of COVID-19.